super big living area, pretty big and spacious kitchen. This is our master bedroom. Well, hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we are here at Pride Crosswinds by Pride Groups situated at Bannerghatta. Well, like you know, we are here for the sample flat tours and this is not flat, this is a villament. Yes, we are here to check in super luxurious villas. We shall dive in together and look into what makes this villa your dream house and what makes this villa even more special through Housey. Well, before that, I want to give you some information about Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers to builders. With this, you get bottommost price guaranteed. Unlike other listing platforms where when you're going to inquire about any other flats online and get hit back with numerous calls from numerous brokers, but at Housey you don't have to worry, you can rest easy because here the listings are done directly by the developer, so there's no broker who will be involved. That was about Housey. Let's not waste any more time and go and check out our super luxurious villas. So now we are here in front of the 3D elevation or the 3D model of our Pride Crosswinds Phase 2. The land parcel of 25 acres consisting of 19 villas and which has ground plus 1 floor. Also the variance being 4 BHK having a separate servants room. Now let's talk about the connectivity. The connectivity of this particular project is with Bannerghatta main road, which is just 10 to 15 minutes away from this project. It is very near to Ring Road, which is just 20 to 25 minutes away, and Electronic City, which is 30 to 40 minutes away from our location. Now let's talk about the amenities. So this particular project has ultra luxurious amenities consisting of clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, kids play area, senior citizen gardens, multi-purpose court and so on. Hello everyone, so now we have reached our 4 BHK villa, which is a super luxurious villa. Let's go and check out this villa. Come on in. Well, as in how we enter, we see this super big living area. Well, this is like really big. You can completely divide it, as your living area, TV unit or dining area. You have a lot of space for it in your living area. Well, that makes it like really appealing and big. Well, right next to the living area, we have kitchen. Well, this also is a pretty big and spacious kitchen, completely customizable according to your likes and choices. However you want to customize the cupboards or the platforms, the sink, anything is completely customizable according to your choices. So this is our utility area to store our washing machines or dishwashers. Also, we have a door which is at our utility area, which takes us to the garden area, which is just the surrounding of the house. So you have even this area where you can use it just for your walking purpose or to, if you like gardening and everything, you can use this area. This is one shortcut area from your utility to go to your garden. Now let's go and check out our room number 1. So in the ground floor, we have one room that is towards this side. So this is our room number 1. Well, this villa is actually super luxurious and super big because you see the living area was so big, the room is so big. You can, very easily accommodate a king size bed along with a lot of other things like if you want a study, if you want a workstation, cupboards, dressing area. This is pretty big. Also, we have here a door which also takes us to the garden area. So this also gives you very good ventilation. Your room is completely lit up. So this seems to be a very nicely well built and well thought of. Also, we have a sliding window over here with pre-fitted mosquito net that also is very well thought of. And we have a washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings and a window for good light and ventilation. So this is our room number 1, which is in the ground floor. Now let's climb up and see the other rooms. So we have our stairs here, very aesthetically made. I like how the glass railings have been given, which makes it really beautiful and aesthetic. Well, this is our first floor and we have this mini living area over here, which you can customize it according to your choices. You can add, any furniture or any sort of decoration in this particular area. we have this big, huge windows for good light and ventilation, which makes your house lit up with good light. Now let's go and check out our room number 2. So this is our room number 2, where all the rooms in this villa are super big, so that you can, easily accommodate king size bed, cupboards, dressing tables, study tables. Also, we have this balcony over here in our room number 2 as well, which will give you good light. Let's go and check out the balcony. So we have this balcony over here, which looks pretty big and overseeing a good scenery, where there are other villas being built here for your neighbors, but that will of course give you a very nice and aesthetic view from your balcony. So this is about our room number 2. Not to forget, we have an attached washroom with our room number 2 as well. So we have this attached washroom with our room number 2 as well, which has luxurious fittings, anti-slip tiles, window for good light and ventilation. So this was about our room number 2. Let's go ahead and check out our next room, which is the third room of the house. So now let's go and check out our third room. So this is our room number 3. Well, this also is a big room, and if at all you have kids, you can utilize this space as a kids room, and it has ample amount of space to fit in king size bed with cupboards and study area. So this can be completely customizable, modified according to your likes and choices. Also, we have an attached washroom in this room as well, which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and window for good light and ventilation. Well, that means every room till now we have seen has a washroom, which is an added point of this villa. Well, now let's go and check out our super luxurious master bedroom. But before that, I want to give you some information about Housey. So at Housey, we give you sample flat tours, actual location tours, 360-degree virtual tours, pros and cons of a particular project. Not just that, but pricing details including EMI and down payment details. After all this, if you like the project and you want to book your free site visit, you can do that by just clicking on the link given in the description box. Well, that was about Housey. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious master bedroom. This is our master bedroom. Well, the uniqueness of this master bedroom is we have this wooden floorings, which makes it unique and aesthetic, and gives you that premium looking feels. Also, we have these huge big sliding windows to lit up your room and give you good ventilation. Also, we have balcony attached to our master bedroom, which leads to a beautiful balcony, and the area is really peaceful. If you see towards this end, you have this amazing scenic view. Early mornings, this must be the view you actually want to get up to. And there are some other villas being made here, but post that you're going to have a very aesthetic and serene view from your balcony. So this was about the master bedroom. So this was our master bedroom. Now let's go and check out what's there above this floor. Well, up here we have terrace. So let's go and check out the terrace. Very big stairs for you to walk around. You'll have a lot of space to walk. There's ample amount of space, and there's good lights because there are windows made every corner of the house. So this is the terrace of your luxurious 4 BHK Villament. Well, I like this cute little space which can be used to just sit back and relax. You can decorate this space with your furnitures and sofa sets and just have a get together with your family. Also, we have this good terrace over here which has a lot of space for you to just walk or spend some time. So yes guys, this is our terrace of our 4 BHK Villament. So yes guys, this was the 4 BHK Villament at Pride Crosswinds by Pride Group, which is situated at Bannerghatta. If you like this project and you want to book your free site visit, you can register yourself at thehousey.com. Not just that, if you like this project and you want the e-brochure for this particular project, you can get that by just clicking on the link given in the description box. Also, if you have any positive or negative feedback regarding the project, the builders, the location, you can let us know your views on the comment section below. Last but certainly not the least, do not forget to subscribe Housey for more such interesting and amazing videos. Well, I'll see you next time with yet another new video. Till then, take care and goodbye.
Hello everyone. So this was Pride Crosswind Residential Project, which is of 4 BHK located in Bannerghatta Road by Pride Groups.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.